Picture yourself in the 2022 Nissan Sentra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. This roomy Sentra makes your daily drive fun, comfortable, and convenient. Discover the joy of cornering thanks to sport suspension, precise handling, and crisp acceleration. Then relax and enjoy the cruise in the sleek cabin loaded with tech and clever storage solutions. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, backup camera, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers. Take a ride on the spirited side in this powerful Sentra. Crisp, modern styling meets sport suspension and precise handling to bring you an upscale midsize sedan that puts the fun back into your daily commute.